Okay, someone in the comments asked me about folding the mirrors in. And there is a mirror folding button on the side here on the driver's controls by the mirror controls. It worked when I was on the drive and just moving slowly. I do it now, it hasn't worked. So it seems it's speed related. So if I slow down to 12, no. Slow down to 11, no. Slow down to 10, 9. Let's try 9. It works when it gets below 10, so it works when it gets to 9. And the mirrors will stay out now as long as you don't press the button. So mirror folding is useful when you're going across a narrow bridge or tunnel or a narrow street. But as you can see, it doesn't work when you're above 10 miles an hour. I'll get down to this island, you'll see I'll do it again, just to show that it only works below 10. Okay. I've gone in. Notice how my blind spot mirrors, I've got a symbol on them now that says the mirrors are folded in. And push them back out. And we'll do it again. Ten, 9, mirrors in. It's quite happy to leave them tucked in. As I say, on the blind spot indicator, it's got a mirror folded in symbol. You can see that on the camera there.